Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp patty step by step. Start by cleaning and finely chopping shrimp, then whisk egg and breadcrumbs in a bowl to bind the mixture. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of smoked paprika. Shape into patties about 5 inches wide, chill briefly to firm up, then pan fry in oil until golden and cooked through. Serve warm with sauce. My process focuses on flavor and texture when preparing shrimp patties, balancing moisture and binder for firm results. Combine chopped shrimp with beaten egg, panko breadcrumbs, minced onion, garlic, chopped parsley, lemon zest, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Mix gently to avoid a mushy paste, then form 3/4 inch thick patties and dust lightly with flour. Fry in medium heat for about 3 minutes per side until golden. Finish by resting cooked shrimp patties for a few minutes to let juices redistribute and avoid breaking. Build a simple sauce by mixing mayo, lemon juice, hot sauce, and chopped dill for bright flavor. Serve patties on toasted buns or over salad greens with sliced cucumber and pickled onions for contrast. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge up to 3 days and reheat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.